To transfer Maya credits to your Maya wallet, follow these steps. Open your Maya app. 1. Open the Maya app. Ensure that you have the Maya app installed on your device and are logged into your account. Go to the Maya credit section, typically found on the home screen or under the credit section. Two, select Withdraw or Transfer to Wallet: in the Maya credit section. You will find an option to either withdraw or transfer the credit balance to your Maya wallet. Three, confirm transfer: after choosing the amount. Confirm the transaction. The credit amount should reflect in your Maya wallet balance immediately or within a short processing time. Transfer now and check your balance after. If you don't have Maya account yet, use my invite code to get a reward.